Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. This kind of error occurs due to again and again trying the wrong password or username. So without wasting any time, let's start the solution. For the solution, what you have to do is you have to close the Snapchat, and after that you have to open any kind of browser like Chrome, and what you have to do is you have to search for Snapchat Sport. As you can see, if I am open a new tab and I search for Snapchat Sport, as you can see Snapchat Sport, you have to click on that. After that you have to click on contact us, and here you have to mention what is the problem you are facing. Here you have to click on I can't access my account, and here you can explain that I have forgotten my password. After that you have to click on yes because you need more help, something else. After that a form will be opened. Here you have to provide your username which is on your Snapchat. After that you have to provide email address which are you are connected, and you have to provide mobile number which is connected to Snapchat. After that you have to explain the problem to Snapchat team that what is the problem to you and what you are facing. Here you can say, hello Snapchat team, please solve my problem. My problem is I forgot my password, and due to repeated failed attempts I am unable to log in my account. Please help me in this record. After doing so, you can fill that captcha and send to Snapchat team. So within few days Snapchat team will connect to you by that email address and solve this problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.